Okay, which one do you want to do?
Pig.
We already did a pig.
Angry bird pig. Brown. Angry bird.
You want to do an angry bird?
Brown.
A brown angry bird. Do you want to do the yellow angry bird?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to need some yellow. And we're going to need some orange.
I want the small one.
And what shape is he? What shape?
Square.
It's not a square. I think he's a triangle. So let's do a triangle. Kind of a little bit rounded. Okay, and then after that what we're going to do is draw this small, kind of like a diamond shape. And this will be his beak. But it's going to be, it has to be kind of
I want to do that.
But it has to be kind of angry. Kind of like this, right? Because he's an angry bird. And then, starting just above the beak, I think we need to do these two lines.
Angry bird.
You like angry birds? And then I'm
Papa,
going to
angry bird have the head and head.
No, but you can give them feet and hands if you want. I'm just giving them eyes and an eyebrow right now. And circles. So let's do that. And I'm going to give them kind of this orange. Oh, my crayon is attacking me. I'm going to give them this orange eyebrow, which didn't really need to be black. And then for the hair, I'm going to do kind of like that.
Papa, I want it finished.
You want to finish it? Okay, wait for me. I gotta color him yellow. And what I'm going to do when I color him yellow is I'm going to leave this little bit of white on the bottom. You be careful, you're cutting something with the scissors. Now you always have to be careful when you're coloring yellow on top of black because the black will smear. And this is kind of a mess. But, oh, and I got it in the way of the yellow. But anyway, you get the idea. And let's do a little bit of orange here. And that's an angry bird.